Hello traders and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating stock that recently triggered our advanced scanners, RX Inc., ticker symbol RNXT. We're going to break down exactly why it caught our attention, the technical signals it's flashing, and the key levels you need to be aware of. Stick around, because this one has a compelling setup. Important disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Alright, let's get into RNXT. RX Inc. is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company operating in the healthcare and biotechnology sector. Their company logo/info, their mission is to develop targeted combination therapies to improve outcomes for cancer patients. Their lead product candidate involves delivering chemotherapy gemcitabine via CAF, which is currently in phase 1 and 3 clinical trials. This is a significant stage for any biotech company. With a market capitalization of just $41.04 million, RNXT is firmly in small cap territory, making it a penny stock trading well under the $5 mark. Now let's look at its recent price action. Chart 52-week range today, RNXT is down slightly by 0.99%. Over the last 5 days, it's seen a minus 3.79% drop, but zoom out to the last 30 days and it's actually a plus 0.31%. It's currently trading 36.6% below its 52-week high of $1.04,500, but importantly, it's still 31.1% above its 52-week low of $7,010. This gives us a sense of its current range and potential resilience. Here's a critical piece of data: volume. Today's volume for RNXT was a mere 4,363 shares. Compare that to its 30-day average volume of 285,778 shares, and you'll see the relative volume is essentially 0x above average. This is extremely low volume and something we absolutely need to keep in mind, as it can lead to significant volatility and wide bid-ask spreads. So, with that context, why did RNXT trigger our scanners at an entry signal price of $9,201? It's because it presented itself as a harmonic forma synodalare, which translates to a harmonic pattern candidate. To chart with harmonic pattern overlay in simple terms, this means the price action formed a specific geometric pattern, indicating it was in a balanced retracement zone. Think of it like a stock pulling back in an orderly fashion after a move, setting itself up for potential next leg. This pattern was supported by moderate relative strength index RSI and relative volume, suggesting a healthy setup rather than a runaway move or a complete breakdown. The signal for RNXT wasn't just a simple pattern, it underwent a rigorous confirmation process. This signal was confirmed by what we call the VWAP and EMA alignment gate. Chart with VWAP, EMA, AGS, RSI indicators. Let me break that down for beginners. First, the stock's price was trading above its volume-weighted moving average, or VWAP. This is a powerful indicator that weighs prices by volume, giving more importance to prices where more shares were traded. When the price is above it, it generally signals underlying buying pressure. Second, the trend strength measured by the average directional index ADX was above 18. An ADX above 18 suggests that a trend is developing and gaining strength, not just bouncing around randomly. And finally, the relative strength index RSI was in the healthy momentum zone, specifically between 45 and 68. This tells us the stock isn't overbought or oversold, but rather has good momentum for a potential move. All these factors aligning at the same time are our confirmation filter, designed to eliminate false breakouts and give us higher probability setups. Now, let's talk about the specific levels for RNXT based on our scanner's output. Our entry signal price was $9,201. Highlight entry on chart. Crucially, our predefined stop-loss level is set at $9,155. This is your insurance policy, limiting your downside risk. For potential upside, we have 3 take-profit targets: TPON at $9,661, TP2 at $1.121, and TP3 at $1.581. Highlight TP levels. What's incredibly compelling about this particular setup is the calculated risk/reward ratio, a fantastic 110.0. Explain R/R. This means for every $1 of risk you're taking, if the trade moves against you to the stop loss, you're looking to gain $10 if all take profit targets are hit. This kind of risk/reward profile is exactly what we look for to ensure responsible trading and maximize potential returns over time. Just a quick reminder before we continue. Important disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Given RNXT's low market cap and the extremely low volume we saw today, only 4,363 shares traded against a 30-day average of over 285,000, volatility can be a major factor. Prices can move dramatically on very few shares, and bid-ask spreads can be wide. Always keep an eye on the volume. A significant increase could confirm interest and momentum, but consistently low volume means liquidity. As a clinical stage biotech, news related to its phase Roman-3 trials for gemcitabine via RenovoCath or any FDA updates could be major catalysts. Always monitor your stop-loss level rigorously, especially with penny stocks, as they can be unpredictable. So there you have it, a detailed breakdown of RenovoRx Inc., RNXT. It's a compelling biotech company with a product in phase Roman-3 trials, and our scanners identified a harmonic pattern candidate confirmed by multiple robust technical indicators at an attractive risk/reward ratio of 1:10.0. While the low volume is a significant consideration, the setup itself presents an interesting case study. Remember, trading is about managing probabilities and understanding risk. If you found this deep dive helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth stock analysis, and let us know in the comments if you've been following RNXT or have any questions. Happy trading, and we'll see you in the next video.